work 1 natin or i-demonstrate natin paano natin gagawin. Gagamit tayo ng Zap Budget Marks, then open natin, then pwede natin to download. Search lang natin yung Zap Budget Marks by Jeff Marchera or by Chat Marks. So then ito, pili na lang kayo kung ano yung voice nyo or yung bit ng laptop nyo, 34 kung naka-Linux kayo or Mac OS. Yan, pwede nyo download dito. Then open lang natin to, automated scan, then Chrome if modern, always na lang natin, then get na lang natin to, Line Gaming Bigwin. So gagamitin natin yung check natin yung site na yan. Okay, Bigwin 69, then login nyo sa try sa ibang website na hindi tawag pa ron, wala information. Siguro pwede yung ibang site pag yung iba din, pero check natin. Okay, mataas yung security nya, halos green lahat, diba? Halos green. Then not secure. Okay, nagpakita not secure or Bigwin 69. Then nagbabago na siya, naglalag. Okay, failed to start Chrome browser, make sure the Chrome is available. Then mataas yung security ng Bigwin 69. Then check natin sa alerts. Okay, security content header not set. Mataas ang cyber security ng Bigwin 69 site. This is medium. And content security, KSP added layer security that helps detect them certain types of attacks including cross-site, scripting, CXS, and data injection attacks. These are used everything from data theft to site description. Malware, CSP provided is at standard HTTP headers that allow website owners to declare approved sources of content that browser should not allow to load that page. Covered types are JavaScript, CSS, HTML, frames, fonts, images, and immutable object. Mataas talaga nga. Ajax Spider. Okay. Halos hindi naman siya out of Jack Spider scope. Low. What now? Wait, highest alert. Ba't panay low? Slow security siguro. Pero ba't ganun? Nagpag yung website or mababa lang talaga yung security nya. The following pattern used to debug and was detecting detect at tayo na scan natin yung website nila. Yun lang. Kung mag-scan kayo ng website, pwede nyo lang i-copy paste kung ano, kahit anong gamitin nyo siguro website. Pwede rin itong orange app namin. Mataas ang security ng Bigwin 69. Request asal nya Bigwin sa site, quick start, and attack tayo again. Okay, pag red white means Zap callback URL. Nako. Ano yan? Pag red is alert. Ba't black ako? Okay, okay. Permanently active scan. Ganun pala siya. High alert sign. Pakita kasing website. Permanently, then get. Baka ma-block tayo ng school. Ibang site. Pwede ba block tayo? Tapos ng cyber security ng school. Parehas sa ano. Current scan. One. Resolution natin. Fuel injection. Paano kaya? Paano kaya pag ito ba? Gusto ko. Spider. Out of scope. Taas pala talaga. Pag kulay red means our please upgrade the latest version. Bootstrap select. Okay. May latest version pala kailangan. Kanina sa Bigwin 69. Compare natin yung ibang website. Then Bigwin 69 then yung binlock nga ako. Active scan attacking your discoveries the spiders. Medium high alert sign. Meaning low alerts, highest alert sign. Process times then get. Spidey. Out of scope. Tagal na matapos 37%. Post na lang natin siguro. Then compare na lang natin sa Bigwin 69. Project Spider. Yan o. Halos lahat naman sila magkakasing. Mataas rin ang security ng Bigwin 69. Then vulnerabilities. Hindi. Refresh natin to. Ano ba refresh to? Plus alerts. Itong website naman na sa ano na to ito Bigwin 69 quick redirect on Bigwin 69 their server responded redirections with large response may indicate that all true servers and the redirect also respond body content which tails. Then ito is saan to? Bootstrap din. So, up to First scan. Bigwin content security policy. Okay. Taas rin ng sulit naman na check natin ng website is matataas yung security. Then sa Orange app lang naman, kailangan lang nila i-update yung Bootstrap. So version, hindi kasi updated. Ayan. Please upload the later version of Bootstrap. Yun lang. Sa Big 16, wala rin naman ako nakitang ano, ah, security issues, page exploiters. Okay. Taas talaga. Partial content. Okay. Goods. Yan lang. Thank you guys.